Bawat sulok ng mundo, naririnig ang tinig mo, Tatay Digong. Pangako mo'y tapat at totoo. Para sa bayan, handang lumaban, dugo't pawis, ipaglaban ng kapayapaan. Lahat tayo'y magkaisa.
Huwag po tayo agad maniwala sa kung ano man yung mga binabalita na mga few individuals about what's happening right now here in The Hague. Because kaming mga nandito mismo sa The Hague, kami po ang nakakaalam, first-hand knowledge, every time mag-interview kami kung ano ang nangyayari. Meron ng mga naratibo na rejection about whatsoever, blah blah blah. Sinabi na mismo ng lead counsel na there was never a request done. It was a narrative that was actually put into, I don't know how they did that, but they fed it to the media, and the media actually pick it up, and now it's in the mainstream media or whatnot, whatever outlet it is, na pinapalabas na ni-reject ng ICC. There was no such a rejection that has been done. It is a big fat lie. Let us wake up, Filipino people. Let's use this opportunity to literally form an informed decision in the upcoming election. Gumising na po tayo. Huwag na po tayong matulog. Dito po kami ngayon sa harap mismo ng ICC Detention Facility. Kung nakikinig kayo sa live na ito, sana bigyan nyo ito ng pansin.
Attorney Christine Conti, she's a liar according to Attorney Kaufman. Napanood natin yung interview ng isang vlogger at pinabolaan na ni Attorney Kaufman na si Attorney Conti ay sinungaling according to Attorney Kaufman. Panoorin natin tong interview ng isang vlogger doon sa attorney ni PRRD sa The Hague.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. Attorney, how are you?
Good
how's
morning.
PRRD? He's doing well?
He's in good spirits.
Okay, thank you. And does PRRD have any message for the Filipino people now that May 12 election are fast approaching?
He asked for calm and restraint. He knows that there are elections in the offing. He knows that the people are very interested in his welfare.
Mm-hmm.
And he also knows that there is a tendency, perhaps, for people to get excited and not to respect the judicial process. He insists that the judicial process be respected, that there be no interference in that at all.
Thank you, Attorney. And Attorney, how do you respond to the ICC judge's rejection of your proposal? Do you believe it undermines the rights of the accused in any way?
Well, this whole thing about the judges rejecting my proposal, that never happened. All that happened was that there were two activist victims representatives by the names of Joel Butian and Christina Conti, who made all sorts of assertions in the press that I had asked to restrict victims' participation in the process by limiting the ID documents that could be used. That never happened. All I was doing was I was relying on what the Philippines social security system requires for ID to be verified in the Philippines. What they don't tell you is that they were not accepted at this present moment in time to be representatives of the victims, rather the OPCV, which is the unit which is dedicated to representing victims at the ICC. So this is not a question of the judges rejecting something that the defence asked for. This is a response that the defence made to the VPRS, which is the internal court unit which is responsible for assessing victims' applications. That's all we did. We made observations. We didn't make a request which was rejected. That's a big lie.
Yeah. So do you think the ICC sets dangerous precedent by relaxing documentary requirements, particularly in highly politicized cases like this?
Once again, this whole issue of it being a dangerous precedent is not something that we created. It's something that's in the minds of Joel Butian and others.
Thank you, Attorney. And lastly, Attorney, what is your message to the Filipino people closely watching the process unfold?
Respect the judicial process, respect the judges, and respect former President Duterte's right to a fair trial.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Attorney, can I ask another one? Sir, may we ask if you have already applied for PRRD's interim release?
Once again, I'm not going to comment on the chronology of that request. There will be a request for interim release in due course, but as I said many times before, certain conditions have to be ripe for that interim release to take place. And it's the judges who ultimately decided.
Sir, do you think that our former president will be brought back to the Philippines before the confirmation of charges on September 23rd?
I certainly hope so. In fact, I can't understand why he's here. He's a Filipino citizen.
Yeah.
There's a Filipino president in that country who threw a Filipino citizen over here to be tried. Why isn't he in the Philippines? Why isn't he being tried in the Philippines? Why is there not a Filipino judge who is trying him?
Yeah, exactly, sir. Because that's the sentiment of a lot, if not most, of the Filipinos, that he is illegally detained here and that our judicial system is fully functioning well. So we don't understand why the ICC actually took cognizance of what's happening right now.
Yes, I fully sympathize with that sentiment entirely. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Congressman Pulong Duterte ay nasa Netherlands na para dalawin ang kanyang ama na nakakulong. Walang iba kundi si PRRD. At masaya siyang nakipaghalubilo dun sa mga supporter ni PRRD sa labas ng detention center. Panoorin natin ang kanyang pagdating o pagdalaw kay PRRD sa Netherlands.
Si Alvin.
Hello, hello, sir.
Okay, busan ko.
Oh.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, magandang araw sa ating lahat, mga kapartners. So, sir, naitugon si APRRD sa mga...
Pinapabot niya yung pasasalamat niya sa patuloy niyong suporta sa kanya. At pinapaalam niya sa buong sambayan ng Pilipino na patuloy po raw suportahan ang PDP laban Duterte Senators plus 2. Final niya in-endorse ngayon sa loob, pinapaalam sa inyo si Kerubin pati si Hunasan.
Okay.
And with the emphasis na patuloy suportahan yung matalik niyang kaibigan na si Rodante Marcoleta.
Yes, po. Yes po.
Yun lang po at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Okay, thank you po.
Okay naman siya.
Okay siya, sir.
Nakita niyo si Senator Padilla nung nakulong, di ba?
Yes po.
Malayo. Mas bad boy tingnan. Ngayon nagmukhang mayor. Nasa mabuting kalagayan naman. Inalagaan siya na maayos sa loob.
Amen, thank you.
Okay. Nakaimensahe kung sa mga Pilipino kadadlaw nga nagabisita diri ug nagsuporta sa kay
Salamat kayo, salamat. Pati siya ginapabot niya sa inyo ang iyang pasalamat. Kay sige sa pangutana og naba daw Pilipino sa so ko daghan.
Always, every day.
Salamat kayo, salamat.
Kung pwede lang may musulod kong musod may pwede magid pwede.
At kung pwede lang tamoy pang-itsa diha. Wala, bawal eh.
Bawal.
Sige ni pahinumdom ni si Anilet, bawal daw. Pero karon lang ko nakabalo nga lami pud maggakot sa gamahan.
Nag-moments pa na sila.
Sir, actually, sir, in line with that, sir, si VP po sa ingon niya sa nahitabo kang former president, the family is much more closer than before. Sir, do you share the same realization? Okay.
Karon siguro sa kinabuhi nako ikalima pa lang namon ning gakos.
Okay, sir. Na-react na rin, sir.
Dili, kay kani siya, babae mo gusto niya.
Mas got among gakos karon.
Okay.
With feelings ang gakos
Pero okay man siya, gusto niya paibalo sa inyo na he is in good health. Nalipay po siya. Sige lang pakatok. Si Hanilet may seryoso, sige kuan dito sa iyang check up siya na nairitan. Sige, masahe sa tiil. Pero okay ra tanan, okay ra tanan. Salamat sa inyong tanan, salamat gikan sa among pamilya.
Welcome, sir.
Wala isa pa yan.
Thank you, sir.
Dulo to, sir.
Hanggang sa dulo po, sir.
Hanggang sa dulo to.
Sabi ni Tatay Digong, mag-relax lang mi, sir, pero relax lang mi sa gawas. Pero hanggang sa dulo, may diri mag-relax.
Kaya ning weather diri oy.
Sanay na mo.
Pero painit naman, sir. Painit naman karon, so okay na, sir.
Sir, ang mga tao dire wala gi problema og na dire. Makaon, kape, tanan, tinapay.
Istoryahin lang mi, sir, kung gusto niyo makaunon kay paluto na namo. Ano sa importante.
Uy, maulaw ta.
Sakto
Kabalo
gyud
mo
ka, ma'am.
kumuluto.
Sakto gyud ka, ma'am, na maulawon gyud ay siko.
Maulaw na siya. O
Basta-
gani iko ubanan ti ka dito kay iko. Maulaw ba di siya taos dili kailangan ka mo atubang kay kung ano.
Ugani.
Ulat
Basta,
sila
sir.
ng-
Unsay gusto niyo
Nailan
mo?
man dayon ko. Nagkalo-kalo pa.
Kahit anong tago, lalabas ang pagkapogi. No.